Okay. There's a review done. There's a disqualifying to be slapped now. Number 30. Thrown out. Okay, number 30 thrown out po. Talaga si natama sa ilong, sa ilong, yung tinamaan sa ilong. Okay, for sure ay ikakaptak na po natin ito, kung ano to. Okay, game na. 6:21 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo after reviewing po. It is proven now to be checked out. The videos po, si number 30 ng Qatar Airways po was given a slap, a disqualification foul or thrown out po siya out of the playing court po. Dahil kasi na-injury si Salazar, si number 69 ng GWC. Okay. GWC, na-injure po siya. Kahit di naman sinasadya, pero still, pag naka-injury yata, automatic DQ kagad yun, DQ foul kagad yun. Or thrown out kagad. As per rules po yan of sa laro, sa ligang pong ito. Okay, so nangyari pong yun, si number 30 ng Qatar Airways, thrown out po siya. Hindi na siya pwedeng maglalaro. Okay. Okay, I think already now also they conceded already. At 6:19 remaining, they conceded already. And of course, winner now. And automatic champion na po sila po. Yan po ang Qatar Airways. Kaya congratulations po Qatar Airways. And kudos po sa GWC for giving a good game po. Maraming salamat po. And of course, muli po ako sa Arvin G Vlog si Ju. This Event Horizon Vlogs channel. Maraming salamat po. Okay, conceded already na po ang GWC and automatically po Qatar Airways now is now crowned now the champion now para po sa ating intercompany final score 119-90. Champion Qatar Airways, final score 119-90. Maraming salamat po. Again po, ako si Arvin G Vlogs and papunta po tayo sa ating post-game activities. Thank you very much.